Hello, this is Banana Gaming Toys, and this is Neo, and I'm Maverick. And today we'll be doing an unboxing on Android 18. This cat wants his food, but he has to be in this video for content. Anyways, today we'll be doing an Android 18. Okay, fine, you can run. Android 18 review. For this, in the first video we reviewed this one, which is Trunks. The Trunks is Super Saiyan Form 1. And after doing some research, I figured out that Android 18 fired a power blast at him, and he using his arm, he deflected it, and now he's running right towards him. Which I'm pretty sure this is a scene where this thing was based off of. Firstly, get rid of the tape. So, first impression, the box is quite clean like usual. And it looks like, it just makes him look like an athlete, like he's running. An athlete. He looks like an Olympic runner, because you know, like when they're on the thing where they can get, where they push off of it, just like this, and then they go immediately like this. So it makes sense. Anyways, let's open up the box. Just trying to damage the box. There's a ton of fur, I mean. Cats in June and, well, during summer produce a ton of fur. Because they're trying to expel, when they're sweating, they just try to expel as much fur so then they don't insulate as much heat as possible. It's a survival tactic for cats. They expel as much fur as possible so then they don't absorb as much heat. Anyways, ooh, 2 parts. Is it only 2 parts? Yes, it's only 2 parts. So that's quite a rare one. It's 2 parts only. So we don't have to go through assembly process for this one. So we have 2 parts, the whole entire body and in the stand. So let's just, I guess, just cut it down on the top. This. So, bring out the stand. There's a nice finish to it. It's like foamy. It's like a lot more texture. So I'm guessing it goes like this or this. I think this. So the scene where the created is like this, or he absorbs it like this and dashes towards her. Maybe. Wait, does it fit? It does, from what I can see. It does slightly fit, so I'm guessing it's possible to shove her fingers in here. I'm not gonna try that. I might damage both of them. Anyways, let's just knock that off. So, her firing out Power Blast, he blocking with one arm and lunges towards her scene. Firstly, for her, she is really well textured, and I don't really like the green. Though, like, there's a little bit of green in here. I didn't really see it. I don't really see it, because it would be better if it's like blue, more blue, because there's like tiny patches of green, which is intended, because I can see from this thing, it is intended, but I just don't necessarily like it. But I like that her shirt is like flapping from, I'm guessing, the wind brought up by him dashing towards her, or the Power Blast wind, because it's flying towards this way. So that means if she's facing this way, it would be, the source would be from this way. And I like that her arms are just like slowly flopping down because there's space in between it, and the hair is really nicely detailed. But I do see like a little bit of gap, so it wasn't glued on or fitted completely properly. Excellent. So far, this would be a 9 to 8 range, because it is really well detailed. I don't really know much else anybody could add towards this compared to this. Of course, like he could have a sword on his back, but this is coming from a scene, so I can't really say much else. So, first impressions, I gave this thing an 8.5 to 9, and it's because it's really well detailed. I don't know what to add to it. It has really nice like effects of windiness or like movement in it. But now let's get to the height. This would be around like 21 or something. 21 centimeters, I think. It's like 20. It's 20 centimeters tall with wideness. With the actual thing being 4.5, slightly under, which would be like 11 centimeters. So it's 20 centimeters or some like 7 3/4 to what was it? Oh, 4.5 or 11 centimeters. So the shading wise, I like there's different ominous in their colors, but I don't really like the green added towards it. They could probably cut it and then gone for a little bit lighter blue. But that could just be like a mistake on their behalf, like just painting mistakes. But I like the boots a lot because it has like a crevice going inside, as you can see. So it's like trying to show there's space. I like that the boots are detailed, but let's just check it. There is no detailing at the bottom, which is intimidating because like why would they put like stuff at the bottom if it's just going to be standing like this where you can't see it? Anyways, if you guys enjoyed this unboxing, stay tuned for the next one, and maybe we'll do something else. But anyways, if you guys want to see the unboxing and review of Trunks, which we got in the mystery package, because we actually forgot what was inside that because we had too many boxes. So, altogether, thank you for watching. I give this character an 8.5 out of 10. And see you in the next one. This is Banana Gaming Toys, and it's shedding season. Ouch.